In this video, we are going to be showing you a 3-ingredient recipe for a super delicious vanilla ice cream.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make it.
Hey everyone, I'm Marv. And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins,
The channel that gives you the best tutorials for your most favorite desserts, drinks, snacks, and more.
Plus we occasionally do some awesome baking challenges, so if you're new here, consider subscribing.
Alright, to start off, in a bowl attached to a stand mixer, mix 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whisk this until it is light and fluffy. Now we're going to fold in 10 ounces / 300 ml of sweetened condensed milk.
Keep on folding until there are no whipped cream clumps left.
Now add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it until it is combined.
Now transfer your ice cream into a container and put it in the freezer for 6 hours or overnight.
Alright, now I'm going to try the vanilla ice cream. That's pretty good. I think that the best part about this is that it only requires 3 ingredients and the outcome is really good. So I hope you make it, and if you did, make sure to tell us in the comments section down below. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video.
If you enjoyed it, make sure to tell us in the comment section down below.
Click here for our last video,
Click down there for our drink series.
and click here to subscribe.
See you in our next video.
Bye.